Alright, I have some pieces pre-cut here. I'm going to go over some stuff about them. And that looks like a tripod to me. Okay, this is going to be the bottom of our box truck. Now I pre-cut these angles to get a nice flush fit like that, and it's also nice and square. Now each corner, I'm going to put this in there to stiffen up each corner, and I'll have to put washers behind here to make up for the gap. Okay, there's the base. Pretty solid. I'm liking it. Now on the top, I'm adding a piece of angle iron in there, and you can see the screw that's not in because my drill died. So we'll clean up and get back to it once my drill charges up. Anyways, that will go on there. Make that good and a good solid fit up there. Well, there goes the screw. Okay, here's the frame. Now in the front here, you can see, hey, these angles, I have them going this direction on the square for stability, for rocking back and forth. It'll make it good and solid if I were to roll it with. This is definitely not going to be a try and roll it truck. On the top, I went ahead and put them along the length of the truck, so that was flush and flush. So much easier. The base here is actually diamond plate aluminum, but it would see it's pretty thin because we use it for gauges and stuff on dash for race cars and whatnot. And you can see how I got that piece screwed together. Here I just used regular wood screws. Here and there I used them. I used some up here and a couple in the back there. I was going to put one right here in the front. I probably still will. And if you look on the bottom, it's real easy to spot that I just ground them flat. And they will hold because they're biting right in. That'll do for this video. I don't know, from here on I don't know how or what I'm going to do, but it's going to happen. And here's another clue for you. That is not a battery tray.